Whether you are a first responder, medical, government, utility, commercial, enterprise, or industrial user, AirGain Connect by AirGain is your best choice for maximizing coverage, building penetration, and throughput for your mission-critical communications. AirGain Connect is AirGain's first integrated HPUE modem and antenna that eliminates loss over the coax cable from the vehicle roof to the router in the trunk. The patented design provides up to 2 times greater cellular coverage than routers with the integrated Band 14 LTE modems. The uplink signal is the weakest link in the cellular connection, which can be problematic in fringe coverage areas or inside buildings. AirGain Connect increases range and provides a dramatic increase in coverage. delivering the maximum allowable uplink signal possible to keep you connected so your operations go much more smoothly with steady connectivity on fleet vehicles like police cruisers, fire trucks, or utility vehicles. This is AirGain's first roof-mount vehicular antenna modem with HPUE, a first responder solution for the Band 14 network. HPUE provides far greater transmit power than your router's conventional modem, providing increased cellular coverage, deeper building penetration, and higher data rates. AirGain Connect is easy to install and designed to operate reliably in full sun and harsh weather environments. You can simply use AirGain Connect in place of the router's modem, or in addition to the router's modem for redundant LTE connections. When selecting superior performance solutions for your critical communications needs, stay connected with AirGain Connect and visit airgain.com today.
We're expected to be part of the always-on connected world. But wireless technologies have a mind of their own. And cellular connectivity diminishes or can even disappear when we move indoors. More than 70% of all cellular calls are made from inside. So how can we stay connected at home or in the office when building materials or other hidden barriers stand in the way of a strong signal? Meet the Cel-Fi product line, the smartest and most powerful cellular coverage solutions in their class. Cel-Fi Quattro for enterprise, Cel-Fi Go X stationary for industrial and M2M, Cel-Fi Pro, Duo, and Duo Plus for home and small office, Cel-Fi Go M mobile for vehicles, trucks, RVs, and boats. Cel-Fi solves the problems of physics by bringing coverage to places where signal is blocked. Ease of installation and setup are core values, along with delivering the highest decibel gain in the industry. Cel-Fi can also be configured across multiple floors, buildings, and campuses to create large footprints of intelligent coverage. Whether in building or on the go, Cel-Fi has you covered. It boosts your signal so that you can experience crystal clear, reliable voice connections and lightning-fast data rates on 3G, 4G, and LTE networks. Cel-Fi, smart cellular coverage.